Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. GVP in talks with other parties to field an all-party candidate in Kortali by-poll. Mickey tells Prudent maintain suspense on whether he will back Churchill as all-party candidate. Two companies come forward for the pre-qualification bid of the high security registration number plate. Scrutiny of tenders by Monday, contract by May end. Mangoes, chicos, jackfruits, bananas, papayas, medicinal plants and much more. It's Konkan Fruit Festival on TB Marg in Panji. Will quit investigation committee if Narvekar approves allegation. Chetan Desai tests the GCA president. Rohan Khaute hands over documents regarding GCA Academy to investigation committee. And Sargaukar Sports Club, the numero uno cricket team in Goa. Sargaukar swept this season with victory over NRB. Goa Sports Academy in 49th Bandodkar Trophy. Gymkhana heading for extensive renovation. And now the news in detail. Goa Vikas Party has plans to back an all-party candidate for the Kortali by-poll. But party head Mickey Pacheco has maintained suspense on whether he will back Congress candidate if Churchill Alamov is given the ticket. Sources say that if talks fail with other parties, Goa Vikas Party has plans to fill Viola for the Kortali by-poll.
Mickey Pacheco says that talks are on about fielding all-party candidate for the Kortali by-poll. If talks fail, GVP candidate for the election would be known by Sunday. Mickey says that Congress leaders have also spoken to him regarding the Kortali by-poll.
GVP in the best interest of Goa, market करपाचे आणि 2 दिवसात डिसिजन घेतले.
ओके आणि काँग्रेसीचे प्रयत्न असा की थंय कन्सेन्सस कॅन्डिडेट घालपाचो एक कॉमन कॅन्डिडेट.
I don't want to make any comment on other parties, other political parties. See, there are other parties also approach with me.
Okay.
So in the best interest of Goa, I'll take a proper decision within a day or two.
हे पण कॉमन कॅन्डिडेट घालपाचेर तुमचो कितें तसो विचार जातलो काय?
We'll still need to discuss on that issues. Yeah.
तुम्ही डिस्कशन करताल तेजेर with other parties.
Yes.
However, sources say that if talks with other parties fail, GVP has planned to field Viola for the Kortali by-poll. Our reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar.
Only two companies have come forward for the pre-qualification bid of the high security registration number plate. Earlier, 8 companies had come forward, but now only 2 companies have filled the e-tender. Committee which will scrutinize tenders will hold a meeting on Monday. Tender for 2 companies will be floated on Tuesday. It will be clear by May end who gets the contract.
Out of 8 bidders who have requested for e-tender, only 2 bidders have offloaded their bids. Number 1, Messrs. Utsav Safety System Private Limited, New Delhi, in consortium with Rosemarta Autotech Private Limited, Gurgaon, Haryana. And the second bidder who has submitted tenders online are Messrs. Selex Technologies Private Limited. Their financial bids will be opened subsequently at a date that is communicated after evaluation committee submits its report. Actually 9 applications were received, but the 9th applicant has not submitted his request online, and that's why no tender was released. Shindituts was there, one of the applicant.
Our reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar with Semi Gonsalves.
Mangoes, chicos, jackfruits, bananas, papayas, medicinal plants and much more. It's Konkan Fruit Festival 2012. The TB Bandodkar Marg has been decked up with variety of fruits and flowers. The festival will conclude on Sunday. We are at the TB Bandodkar Marg, the Marg which is hosting the Konkan Fruit Festival 2012. It is jointly organized by Botanical Society of Goa and CCP. Let's have a look what's special and what's different in this fruit festival.
आमचे पहिले मेयर जे अशोक नाईक तांच्या कल्पनेंतल्यान हो सुरू जाल्लो आसा आनी बॉटनिकल सोसायटी जी आसा तांणी फुडाकार घेतिल्लो आसा आनी अलॉंग विथ CCP तांणी हो जो प्रोग्राम सुरू केलो. एक बरी कल्पना आशिल्ली ही, कित्याक ज्या तरेन हो 2-3 दीस हो फेस्टिवल चलता, एक प्रकारची लायव्हनेस येता पणजी सिटीन. पणजेच्या लोकांक त्याच प्रमाणे गोंयभरचे लोक हांगा विजीट करतात आनी बरो प्रतिसाद मेळटा. फ्रुटाची जावं फूल झाडां अशी लावची की जेणे करून एक गोंय जे फुलां फळांचो आमी म्हणटात की स्टेट म्हणून, पूण ती खऱ्या अर्थान जावची.
Different type of fruits, different type of plants, ornamental, organic and much more. I am tired loafing around here on the street and gaining so much of knowledge about various kind of fruits available in Goa and in neighboring states. With Prasad Harmarkar, this is Aparna Gondarkar for Prudent Media. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.